Okay, way back 2017, nagpunta ako sa doktor and nagpa-test ako dahil medyo mataba ako noon. And sabi sa akin ng doktor, I'll give you two choices, lifestyle change or mag-start na ako ng medication maintenance. So obviously, I chose to do a lifestyle change and nag-start akong tumakbo, which I was doing since bata ako. Then I met a doctor here in Abu Dhabi who's also into running. It's worth mentioning si Dr. Mary Aziz. Sinabi niya sa akin, why don't you chase the 6 stars, the 6 major marathons of the world? Then na-intriga ako. Then tiningnan ko, nag-google ako, tiningnan ko siya. Then doon nag-start yung journey ko towards na mangarap na ma-achieve yung about 6 stars, which is also called the 6 major marathon. Okay, I started with the New York Marathon in 2017. Naka-entry po ako as sa ballot, lottery, what they call it. And hindi ko alam na ganun pala kahirap makapasok at that time. Luckily, on my first time, I got into New York Marathon. Then 2018, I did Chicago also on my first try sa ballot. Okay, then 2019 was London, also ballot, super hirap makapasok doon, pero I think sinwerte na naman tayo dyan. Then same year 2019, I also did Berlin Marathon, and then nagka-pandemic, so natigil po lahat. By 2019, I already had 4 stars at the time. They call it 4 majors, what they call it. Then on 2024, nagkaroon po ng program yung Abbott for the 4 major finishers na pwede kayong makapasok. There were, I think, 50 slots for 4 or 5 star finishers. And luckily, again, I got selected. So may 5 na ako. Then 2025, this year, I managed to get into Tokyo again through lottery, and that concludes my my 6 major marathon. Doon ko po siya nakuha. Sa mga kapwa ko OFW dito sa Abu Dhabi, masasabi ko lang is health is wealth. Kailangan po nating alagaan ang ating mga sarili, and one way of masasabi kong maalagaan natin ang sarili natin is through running or endurance sports. Huwag po kayo matakot magsimula. Lahat po tayo ay nanggaling sa, I would say, siguro tayo couch potato or hindi naman talaga malakas tumakbo. Pero huwag po kayong mag-alala. Meron pa tayong grupo, meron pa tayong mga kapwa OFW na handang tumulong po sa inyo para sa fitness journey nyo. And who knows, one day, ma-achieve nyo rin po itong 6 stars medal. Kung hindi man, at least para sa health nyo na rin. Handa rin po kaming tumanggap ng mga gustong magpa-coach sa PRG Abu Dhabi, Pinoy Runners Global Abu Dhabi. Libre po yan. Ang kailangan lang po namin is ang commitment nyo for a lifestyle change, para sa inyong kalusugan.